Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Pixel tablet, and now I'm gonna show you how to disable blocking offensive words on Gboard keyboard. So we need to open the settings, then scroll down, then find system, then scroll, you don't need to scroll down, find here language and input, click on-screen keyboard, Gboard, then scroll down, and here we need to find the preferences, scroll down, and here somewhere we need to have this feature. As you can see, we have now this feature here, so we need to go back and find here dictionary or something in this personal dictionary. Okay, I have no here. Text correction maybe. Block offensive words. Okay, in text correction we have block offensive words. So here you can disable block offensive word feature or enable. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and bye.